Hello everyone. Let's learn the topic pharmacology of mebendazole by Professor Sabashek. So mebendazole, a broad spectrum anthelmintic drug which cures roundworm, hookworm, pinworm and strongyloids infestation. This mebendazole is basically very strong that even the egg and the larvae are also destroyed. Once the parasite is dead, the dead parasite are then slowly expelled from the gut over several days. Now, let's see the mechanism of action of mebendazole. So what happens here? This mebendazole, it first bind with a microtubular protein of parasite. After binding with the microtubular protein of the parasite, it inhibits polymerization of tubulin dimer in the intestinal cell of parasite. In addition to this, mebendazole also blocks glucose and other nutrients uptake in parasite. Due to this, finally, the parasite death occur. So this is about the mechanism of action of mebendazole. Now, let's see the pharmacokinetics of mebendazole. So, mebendazole is poorly absorbed from gut. Bioavailability is around 20%. Fatty food enhances its absorption. Mebendazole is given orally 100 mg twice a day for 3 days. Now, let's see the adverse effect of mebendazole. So, mebendazole is well tolerated. Nausea, abdominal pain, diarrhea are seen in heavy manifestation or infestation. Large doses may rarely cause headache, dizziness, loss of hair and granulocytopenia. So this is all about the mebendazole mechanism of action, pharmacokinetic, adverse effect.